Why choose a high-protein breakfast?
Choosing a high-protein breakfast helps regulate blood sugar, keeps you fuller for longer, and supports muscle health. Compared to sugary or carb-heavy breakfasts, protein-rich meals provide steady energy throughout the morning, helping prevent mid-morning energy crashes. By prioritizing protein, you're setting yourself up for greater focus and fewer cravings as the day unfolds.
Egg-based breakfasts. Simple and satisfying.
Eggs are a breakfast staple packed with high-quality protein and essential nutrients. Scrambled, boiled, or made into an omelet with vegetables, eggs are versatile and quick to prepare. Pairing eggs with whole grain toast or avocado provides extra fiber and healthy fats, delivering a balanced meal that helps maintain energy levels well into lunchtime.
Greek yogurt parfaits for on-the-go fuel.
Greek yogurt contains more protein than regular yogurt, making it a great choice for busy mornings. Top plain Greek yogurt with berries, a sprinkle of nuts, and a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. This combination offers protein, healthy fats, and fiber, promoting satiety and sustained energy, whether you're eating at home or heading out the door.
Nut butter and whole grains, a powerful pair.
Nut butters like almond, peanut, or sunflower seeds, butter, are convenient sources of protein. Spread nut butter on whole grain toast or pair with sliced apples or bananas. The combination of complex carbs and protein slows digestion, preventing sugar spikes and providing a steady energy release to keep you fueled all morning.
Protein-rich smoothies for a quick start.
Smoothies can be packed with protein by adding ingredients like Greek yogurt, protein powder, milk, or nut butters. Blend with fruits, spinach, and seeds for added nutrients. This on-the-go breakfast is customizable and ensures you're getting long-lasting energy while sneaking in extra vitamins and minerals for overall wellness.